Today, I'm revealing a hidden Windows folder that looks harmless. But if you delete it, you could destroy your system. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss tech tips that could save your PC's life. Let's head to your C drive. Now click on View and enable Hidden Items. You'll see a folder named System Volume Information. This is not junk. This folder contains system restore points, volume shadow copies, and crucial indexing data. Deleting or messing with it can make recovery impossible. Deleting it can lead to restore failure, slow system performance, or even prevent Windows from booting. Windows protects this folder for a reason. Other folders you should never touch unless you know what you're doing include: Windows folder, the heart of the OS. Program files, your installed apps. Mess with these and you risk a clean install or data loss. Now you know which folders are off limits. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to IT Next, and comment below if you've ever accidentally deleted a critical folder. Stay smart, stay safe, see you in the next video.